बुलावे तुझे यार अज मेरी गलियां, बसाऊं तेरे संग मैं अलग दुनिया।
Anniversary, Pranali and Heron. Wow, it's been already 1 year since you both got hitched. That's really soon. It just feels like yesterday. Well, here's wishing you both a really happy first anniversary. May all your dreams and wishes come true, guys. Have an amazing day, and I hope to meet you both very soon. Bye-bye.
वाह वाह राम जी, जोड़ी क्या बनाई, हैरी न प्रणाली को बधाई हो बधाई। सब रस्मों से बड़ी है जग में दिल से दिल की सगाई। वाह वाह राम जी। हैरी एंड प्रणाली की जेड़िया के हिकिड़ो वरी पूरो थींदो, कीअं हिकिड़ो वरी नकिरे वियो ख़बर न पई। ॿिया अञा अॻियां गच वरनि बहु सारा वञे जिंदगी में गच ना खूब प्रगति कयो, खूब अॻियां वञो। बस अहिड़ी दिल की शुभेच्छा है।
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी। हेरिन ट्रांसलेट कर देगा जो भी कच्ची में है।
हेरिन की सेटी।
Happy wedding anniversary to my darling daughter and charming son-in-law. May your love grow every moment. May you have a lifetime happiness and togetherness. I am sending loads and loads of love and wishes on this wonderful journey. Enjoy your day. Take care. See you soon.
Hi Pranali and Heron. It's unbelievable that it's almost a year. It just feels like yesterday we had so much fun on your beautiful wedding. You know, we just knew it when we saw you guys together that you all are going to make a perfect couple, and I'm so happy you all have proved all of us right. You all seem so perfect together, so much in love with each other. From India, your sisters sending you tons and tons and tons of blessings. May all always be happy. May the love between you all grow manyfold like this. May all continue to remain best friends. May all get all the good things in your life, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy anniversary, Pranali, Ammu and Herin Tiddi. I love you all so much, and you're the cutest couple.
Happy anniversary, Herin, Pranali. God bless you.
Happy anniversary! Mwah, we love you all.
We love you all. Bye.
मैं सकदा नहीं तेनू छड़ भी सकदी हां, रखिया कर मेरा डर वे, तू कल्ला ही सोना नहीं, ज्यादा ना बनिया कर वे, तू कल्ला ही सोना नहीं, ज्यादा ना बनिया कर वे।
Hi, Pranali and Herin. Wish you a very happy marriage anniversary. Let God give all the happiness. Enjoy. God bless you. Mwah.
Hi, Pranali and Herin. Wish you all the best and best anniversary of the year. Bless God you all the prosperity and happiness throughout your life. You are the cutest couple I have ever seen. Enjoy forever. Be together. Love each other. Wish you all the best. Bless you both. Goodbye.
Hey my lovely chicken lollipop and crazy Ludo King. Wish you guys both a very happy first wedding anniversary. Still can't believe it's 1 year, still feels like yesterday. It's been a remarkable and amazing journey till now, and I'm pretty sure it will be amazing in the further years to come. Stay blessed and lovely always. Be the cute and lovey-dovey couple you are, and always pamper me with lots of love and advices. Love you guys.
Hi Pranali, Inshallah. Hi Erin Kemcho. Wishing you both a very happy wedding anniversary. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Take care. See you very soon. Love you both.
Wishing very happy wedding anniversary to Herin and Pranali. You are our closest and cutest lovable couple. May God bless you with the best health, wealth, and prosperity, and may Almighty turn all your dreams and desires into reality. Have a wonderful blast for your wedding anniversary. Enjoy.
Hello, Hareen and Pranali. Wish you both a very, very happy wedding anniversary. God bless you both. And you are one of the most lovable couple. Be happy always. Thank you.
Enjoy your life together with all the health, wealth, and happiness. God bless you.
Happy wedding anniversary, Pranali and Hiren.
Hey Pranali and Helen, wish you both a very happy first anniversary. May your love, friendship, and companionship grow with each passing year. Wishing you both a lifetime of happiness and togetherness. Enjoy your day. May all your dreams and wishes come true. Lots and lots of love to both.
दिल छू रहा है खींचे मुझे कोई डोर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर हाय रब्बा तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर.
Dear Pranali and Harren, lots of love and blessings on your first wedding anniversary.
Wishing both of you a very happy first marriage anniversary.
Hi dear Pranali and Harren, lots of love and blessings on your first anniversary. Have a lovely day and life together. May your love and bonding grow day by day and become a bemisal couple.
Happy
anniversary, guys.
Wish you a very happy anniversary. Take care. Hope you're having fun. Love you.
Happy anniversary, guys.
Happy anniversary, Pranali and Harren. This is the first one. I'm sure you guys are going to have a blast. So have a great time and all the very best for the future. Love you guys.
Happy anniversary, guys.
Hi Nishu, guess what I had for lunch today?
What?
I had tepla with kodi gasi.
What?
I had khaman dokla with pulimunchi.
Are you crazy?
Yes, I also had dosa with kathiawadi vegetable.
Which restaurant did you go to?
I went to Pranali and Harren's home.
Oh, no wonder. So that's a great combination. Pranali, what do you make him eat? Hey Pranali and Harren, it's been so nice knowing both of you, and you're one of our dearest relatives, sweethearts, friends in UAE. Unfortunately, because of the lockdown, I haven't been able to taste your cooking, but we are still waiting for this to get over. So wishing both of you a very happy anniversary and joys and happiness, smiles and fun in the rest of your life.
Have a great day. Have a very fun-filling first marriage anniversary. You know, it's been a great time for you both. You've been staying in a nice lovey-dovey way with lockdown, nobody to disturb you, nobody to come and knock on your door and say happy anniversary. So guys, have a blast. Wish you a very happy wedding anniversary.
Bye-bye.
Happy first wedding anniversary, dear Pranali and Harren. Have a great day blessed with lots of happiness. Love from Shivai too.
Hi Harren and Pranali. Wish you both happy first marriage anniversary. Enjoy your day.
Hi Harren, hi Pranali. Happy wedding anniversary. God bless you both. Come on.
Hi Pranali, hi Harren, happy wedding anniversary. Love you both.
Stay blessed.
Hey Pranali and Herin, wishing you a very happy wedding anniversary. Love you all. Stay safe. See you all soon.
Yes, wedding anniversary, Herin and Pranali Bobby. God bless you. Hashtag Herin ki Shakti. Happy anniversary, Herin and Pranali. जब यहाँ के अपड़ो मरे की पूरो थेवे की खबर ना पाई आई खुश रोजा. God bless you.
आप दोनों की जोड़ी कभी न छूटे. खुदा करे आप एक दूसरे से कभी न रूठे.
यूं ही एक होकर आगे जिंदगी बिताए. आपके जिंदगी की हर एक खुशी एक पल के लिए भी ना थी. हैप्पी फर्स्ट वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी हेरिंग एंड प्रणाली.
और प्रणाली का संगम सुहाना हम देते बधाई. खुशियों की परछाई में ऊंचे शहनाई हम देते बधाई. बड़ी खूबसूरत ये जोड़ी प्यारी. मुबारक हो तुमको ये शादी तुम्हारी. ओ हम देते हैं बधाई. है दिन और प्रणाली का संगम सुहाना हम देते बधाई. Happiest anniversary, Herin and Pranali. God bless you. Hashtag Herin ki Shakti.
Hello Herin. Hello Mrs. Herin. Happy first anniversary. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your life. And I wish for your great health, wealth.
Happy marriage anniversary. Happy marriage anniversary. Happy marriage anniversary.
Tata kadu
Bye
tata.
bye.
Bye bye.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy. Tata kadu tata.
Happy anniversary dear Pranali Didi. Happy anniversary to you. May God bless you. We pray. May God bless you. We pray. Happy anniversary dear Pranali Didi. Happy anniversary to you.
Happy anniversary. May God bless you.
Wish you a very happy anniversary, dear Pranali. May you have a blessed year all through, and always in life may you remain happy. My all the very best of luck and all good wishes for you, dear. Have a blessed life ahead. God bless you.
Happy anniversary, beta. God bless you.
Hi Herin, hi Shetty, मेरे ठरकियों. Congratulations, a very hearty congratulations for completing 1 year of a good marriage life. Best of luck for your life ahead. एक छोटा सा गाना तुम लोग के लिए गाऊंगा. God bless you both. और शेट्टी, एक सीक्रेट, तेरी शादी से ज़्यादा तेरा संगीत मुझे याद है for obvious reasons. बट मेरे को अभी भी डाउट है, मैं इतना नहीं पीता यार, मेरे को कोई तो पिला रहा था और वो धवल और हेरिन ही है. पूछ जरा हेरिन को. चलो, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, लव यू. I never wanna lose a friend like you.
इतना जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी. मिला जो संग तेरा, उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा
just wanna say yeah, happy wedding to you. Love you both. हेरिन शेट्टी, हेरिन की शेट्टी, जल्दी मुंबई आओ, एक और संगीत रखो, नाचते हैं, मज़ा करेंगे. लव यू.
I never wanna lose a friend like you. You be my shadow all my life. You never wanna lose a friend like me. I'll be your shadow all your life. We always wanna fly high. चाहे बड़ी मुश्किलें आए, कुछ ना रहेगा, रहेगी ये दोस्ती. I just wanna say yeah, happy wedding to you. I just wanna say yeah, happy wedding to you. Love you both. हेरिन शेट्टी, हेरिन की शेट्टी, जल्दी मुंबई आओ, एक और संगीत रखो, नाचते हैं, मज़ा करेंगे. Love you.
Happy anniversary, Pranali and Herin. I really can't believe it's almost a year now that you guys are married. I still remember how excited we were. सौम्या के घर पे फ़ोन करके मैंने इतनी ओवर एक्टिंग की, तभी वो नहीं आ पाई. But yeah, it's already 1 year. And we couldn't meet this time, but waiting for the lockdown to get over, and then we can pull out Soumya from Dehradun and then have a chill time together. Love you so much. Many, many, many more years together. Keep rocking. Bye.
Happy anniversary, guys. Oh my god, it has already been a year. I mean, it just feels like कि अभी तो हुई थी शादी. I mean, it's just too soon. But I mean, I'm so happy. I thought कि I'll be there for the first anniversary and you know we'll be in Dubai and we'll chill and all. And I personally thought कि ऐसा होगा, but God didn't want that obviously. So अब hopefully God please second anniversary से पहले हम मिल लें, जिसके बाद me, Pranali, Janvi are gonna chill and Heron's gonna work for us, which is going to be amazing. And I hope you guys have a great day and you guys have fun, and you know it's just amazing because it's like 1 year and that is great, and love you both. Mwah.
Hello Shreddy and Heron, congratulations for completing 1 year. ये तो सिर्फ 1 ही साल हुआ है डूड, अभी तो बहुत सारी और मेमोरीज़ क्रिएट करनी है. आई एम श्योर 1 ईयर में बहुत कुछ मस्त मेमोरीज़ क्रिएट की होंगी. एन्जॉय योर डे बेबी, एन्जॉय हेरन, मस्त फ़ोटोज़ भेजो और मुझे मिस करो. हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी. बाय.
Hi Kamine, happy anniversary to both of you. My super duper sexy couple, my favorite one. एंड आज तो अभी 1 साल हो गया तुम्हारा शादी को. अभी बच्चे का क्या प्लानिंग है, कुछ करो यार, मेरे को मामा बनना है. एंड या अब मेरा वो शादी का सा फोटोज़ है ना, मैं तुम्हारा बच्चा आएगा ना तभी तुमको देगा मैं, तो क्या तुम लोग उसके साथ देख सकता है, मज़ा आएगा तुमको. लव यू बोथ ऑफ यू. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.
The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round, day long. Anniversary to you, happy anniversary to you, happy marriage anniversary to auntie, happy marriage anniversary to you.
Happy anniversary. May
Happy
God bless you.
Happy bolo, you are na? Oh, happy marriage anniversary auntie. Wow, very good.
Tata, bye bye.
टाटा. टाटा आंटी को टाटा बोलो. टाटा 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 बोल दो.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी बेटा, गॉड ब्लेस यू.
टाटा कर दो.
रसोई ले जा बेटा.
टाटा कर दो. टाटा.